Here are 10 everyday words that you might be pronouncing wrong and how to fix them. Take the sentence, she says it's in the water today. The word says is spelled like say, but it's pronounced says. She says. It is pronounced as it's. She says it's. The is pronounced as the rather than the. She says it's in the. Water has a flap T. It sounds like a D. Water. She says it's in the water today. Today sounds like today rather than tuh-day. We reduce the vowel. She says it's in the water today. Next, let's take doing it myself is of no interest to me. Watch the NG in doing. Make sure that you don't say doin', but rather lifting the back of the tongue. Doing. Doing it myself. For the word myself, make sure you stress self rather than my, not myself, myself. Doing it myself. The word of is spelled with letters OF, but the sounds are v, of. Make sure you say of, not off. Is of no interest to me. In-trist looks like it should be 3 syllables, but it's not in-trist, it's in-trist. Doing it myself is of no interest to me. To gets reduced to tuh in fluent speaking, not to me, but to me. Doing it myself is of no interest to me. There you have it, 2 quick sentences, 10 words you might be mispronouncing. Want more like this? Check out our fluent speaking playlist.